Okay, this is the last sewing machine. There's a little scratch right here. It's not too terribly bad, but you can kind of see it. Here's the stitches that it does, which you probably saw in the other video. Hopefully you can see that really good. There's some wear here from the thread cases and another little scratch right there. This is the machine all the way around. And that's the bobbin case where your bobbins go. There are no extras to this. This is exactly, you're getting what you're seeing. That's your adjustment for your stitches, I believe. And there's a scratch in that right there. This is the back. This goes up for carrying. It does come with all the cords. As you can see, the light's on. This is the foot pedal. And it works. It's actually pretty cool. And does appear to work.